Hello everyone, my name is Abdul Mufti. Today I will tell you a story. My story name is Fox and the Crow. Once upon a time, there was a crow searching for food, but he didn't get anything to eat. He was very tired and sat on a branch of tree. Suddenly, he saw a piece of cheese. He quickly go there and picked it up and flew away. He was searching very safe place. There can he eat that piece of cheese? He got a very large tree and he sat on that large tree branch. Suddenly, a cunning fox came there and saw crow had piece of cheese. Its mouth started watering. She made a plan. She go there and said, "Hello, handsome crow. My name is Foxy Proxy. I live nearby my friend's home. My friends told me crow's voice is very sweet. Can you please sing a song for me? Please, please." Crow was surprised. No one tell that beautiful words to my voice. But Crow didn't set song. Fox say again, "Please, please." One time, Crow started singing, "Caw, caw." Cheese fell down and Fox quickly go there and picked it up and ran away. Crow realized his mistake, but he can't do anything. Moral of the story is, beware of the flatterers. They are not to be trusted. Thank you.